Tired of those pesky grey hairs? Want to restore your youthful colour naturally? You've come to the right place. Today, we're diving into 2 simple yet effective methods to darken your hair without harsh chemicals or messy henna. The grey hair dilemma. Grey hair is becoming increasingly common even in younger individuals. Factors like pollution, poor diet and stress can accelerate this process. While it's a natural part of aging, many of us seek ways to maintain a vibrant hair colour. Why natural is better. Chemical dyes and henna can damage your hair and scalp. That's why we're turning to nature's bounty for a healthier, more sustainable solution. Tip 1. The power of onions and garlic ingredients. Onion peels, garlic peels, coconut oil, mustard oil. Method: dry roast the onion and garlic peels until they turn black. Grind them into a fine powder. Mix the powder with coconut and mustard oil. Apply the mixture to your hair. Rinse after an hour. Tip 2. The coffee magic method. 1. Mix coffee powder with conditioner. Apply to hair, leave for 30 minutes. Rinse without shampoo. Method 2. Combine coffee powder and aloe vera gel. Apply to hair, leave for 30 minutes. Rinse. Bonus tip. The black tea boost. Method: brew strong black tea. Let it cool, then apply to hair. Rinse after an hour. Important note: while these natural remedies can help darken your hair, it's essential to consult with a hair expert before starting any new hair care routine. Remember, consistency is key. Regular application of these treatments can yield noticeable results. Healthy hair habits, a balanced diet, regular exercise, and proper hair care contribute to overall hair health. By embracing these natural approaches, you can achieve a darker, more vibrant hair colour while nourishing your locks.